Hey everyone, today we're diving into a hot topic. Is AI the future of coding? We've all seen the rapid evolution in software development, and AI is leading the charge. So, what's the deal? Are we talking about replacing human coders or just boosting their productivity? Let's break it down. First up, AI-powered coding assistants like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Tab9 are game changers. These tools can suggest code snippets, autocomplete functions, and even generate entire programs. Imagine saving hours of your time and reducing errors while focusing on the complex stuff. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about automated code generation. Platforms like OpenAI Codex and DeepCode can turn simple natural language instructions into executable code. This means even non-programmers can get their hands dirty with coding, speeding up the development process. But wait, there's more. AI-driven tools are also aces at debugging and code optimization. They can analyze your code for errors, security vulnerabilities, and inefficiencies, suggesting fixes that might take you hours to find. Plus, they can optimize your code for better performance. Who doesn't want faster load times and improved efficiency? And for those into low-code and no-code platforms like Bubble, Webflow, and Microsoft Power Apps, AI is a massive boost. It automates back-end logic, UI design, and database management, helping you build applications swiftly with minimal resources. So, what's the role of AI in software engineering? It's assisting in architecture design, testing, and deployment. AI-powered DevOps tools automate CI/CD pipelines, and predictive analytics help you foresee system failures and optimize performance. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges and ethical concerns. Will AI take away jobs? Not really. AI can handle repetitive tasks, but human creativity and problem-solving are irreplaceable. Security risks. AI-generated code needs careful review and validation. Bias and reliability. Ethical AI practices are crucial for fairness and transparency. Looking ahead, AI will continue to evolve, making coding faster and more efficient. Developers will shift from writing code to supervising AI-driven development. The demand for human coders remains strong, but their roles will evolve. AI will democratize coding, making it accessible to a broader audience. So, in conclusion, AI isn't here to replace us, but to assist and enhance our capabilities. The future of coding will be a collaborative effort between humans and AI. Embrace it, and you'll be more productive and competitive in this evolving tech landscape. What do you think? Is AI a friend or a threat to the future of coding? Let's discuss in the comments.